Okay, good morning students. Today we shall see one more trick in kinematics. Here's a problem on the board. There's a window of length 50 centimeters and the ball is dropped from a height of 40 centimeters above the window. Dropped means u is 0, of course. Now the question here is how much time it takes to cross the window. How much time it takes to just cross the window from B to C. What is the procedure student adopt naturally? You will try to calculate the velocity here. Keep in mind, you have to listen completely because I am going to give a shortcut trick for this afterwards. This is a general method how the student will solve. That's what I am going to explain first. Okay. The velocity at point B can be calculated from, I will take the path from A to B and use the formula v square minus u square equal to 2gh, from which v equal to root of 2gh. U is 0. From this formula I can apply 2 into 9.8 into height from A to B is 0.4 meter. 40 centimeters, you should be very careful to convert to meters. So this comes to v equal to 2.8 meters per second. So this is the velocity at point B. Now the final velocity at point B is the initial velocity for the part BC. So now I am going to use from B to C, I am going to use S equal to ut plus half gt square. I can use any of the equations of motion for constant acceleration, but we require time, so I am using S equal to ut plus half gt square. S is the distance to be covered here, that is the length of the window, that is 0.5 meter, equal to u is 2.8 t plus half g is 4.9 t square. Half g means 9.8 by 2. So this is 5 equal to 28 t plus 49 t square. That is a quadratic equation in t square. So it takes a tedious process. You have to find the factors, or you have to use t equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that formula. It takes definitely a lot of time here after solving. Of course, I have solved it and I got the answer as 1/7 second. And it's not so easy as I have written. You have to solve the equation. It will take some few minutes, no doubt about it. So you involve quadratic equation and you have to find the factors or use the formula to calculate the t. This is what the student does. Now here is a trick here for you. A small trick. I am going to take the time from A to B as t1 and the time from A to C as t2. Why I have taken so? From A to B u is 0. From A to C also u is 0. When u is 0, there is an advantage, so that I can use S equal to half gt square directly. U is 0. So when I use h equal to half gt square, t is 2h by g under root. So I got the time formula directly. That's the advantage. So you have to use your thinking capability that I have to take the equations from A. When I take the equation from A, the sum becomes easier. So t2 minus t1 will be the time taken to cross the window. So it becomes so simple here. t2 minus t1. t2 is 2 into h, height from A to C, or the length from A to C, 50 plus 40, that's 90, 0.9 by 9.8 under root minus 2 into t1 from here to here, 40, 0.4 by 9.8. So we have avoided the quadratic equation here as we have done in this case. So this goes 4.9 times 0.9 by 4.9 multiplied with 10, 3 by 7 minus again 0.4 by 4.9, 2 by 7. This comes to 1/7 second. So wonderful point here. We got the answer in few seconds here and we have avoided all the quadratic equation. We'll come back with some more tricks. Good luck.